Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about nighttime routine hacks for better sleep, so let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about blue light. We all know it's a big no-no before bed, right? That's why I wear these blue light glasses at night. They filter out the blue light, making it much easier to fall asleep. Now, what do you do when you can't sleep? Have you heard of the 3-5-7 technique? Here's how it works. When you can't fall asleep, start counting backwards from 300 in threes: 3, 6, 9, all the way up to 300. Then, move on to fives and finally sevens. This technique is said to lull you into a deep sleep in just a few minutes. Another tip is to grab an ice cube and hold it against your heart for about a minute every night before bedtime. It might sound silly, but it can help regulate your body temperature and promote better sleep. And don't forget, keep your room cool but not too cold. A good rule of thumb is to sleep comfortably in clothes you'd wear in late summer or early autumn. There you have it, folks. Give these nighttime routine hacks a try and let me know how they work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great content like this. Sleep tight, everyone.